Welcome back, guys, to Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to talk only about Bitcoin. We're gonna dive in and double check what my indicator shows now. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I would like to remind you this video, what I posted in January at 2022 when we got left, head and right shoulder. I marked the bottom for Bitcoin will be around 14,500. But we hit 15,500 and this video got 233 views. And you remember in summer 2023, I marked we already passed the bottom for Bitcoin. So this was this scenario based on a line chart. Here we hit 16,200 based on a candles. We hit 15,386. So here, 15,479 was lowest point on a Bitstamp. So just a few $100 missed the target. It was a bottom here, main bottom here, and I would like to show you why. This which is a sweep liquidity, and I showed you the road will be open to sweep this high. What will be next when we sweep this high? I can't know. My plan still relevant because I'm waiting. Around here, around 1.61 low by FIB, 685K 900, then 106, 119, 127. Why exactly this one? Because here, I would like to remind you, this is one trend line, global one from this top, 1, 2. So it's just maybe, of course, we missed the few $100, but if this is a trend line, we can form the three drives pattern when we're forming 1, 2, and 3 high and then drop so hard. This one things what I would like to remind you. I think in April, May, we will see anyway some sell-off events. Maybe I'm wrong, of course. This is another FIB. Let's hide this one. So we got this global one. So this is a top. This was a support. This 27 zone, and now we just around 42K 90. We're testing the 38 level by FIB. Why exactly this level? Because here we got a weekly imbalance zone, and we got a 0.5 level by FIB, 47,228. We can sweep this liquidity pool. After that, we walk from level to level, and we can see even something like this one. Drop to 23 level by FIB, sweep and close this gap, get reaction at 32, climb it up, 78, 61 or 0.5 and going higher. What I can't know, it's the timing. Most worst case scenario, like usual, most worst case scenario, we can be ready even for something like this one. If this is just a distribution, but I don't think so. I think we will see one more bullish cycle because Bitcoin always lagging, and the gold today hit new all-time high, historical new all-time high. So it's the same like a Bitcoin sweep this high today, but Bitcoin is lagging. So this one FIB, which one is still relevant? They said on this FIB 1.61 can be here around 900, 95, 100, 910. And trust me, at this area, nobody will take a profit because 99.9% people gonna wait to the 100 round number, 100%. Let's take a look on a local FIB. So now we're just in recovery mode from downtrend. We're still forming the lower high and the higher lows. If my FIB, this local one, is correct, look what we can see. They build the FIB, they build the levels on a FIB way before we hit the highest point. How it's playing out? I don't know why and how it's playing out, but they always build some confident levels before we hit the main targets. So I would like to show you an example. So here we got a weekly gap, and if we use the 50% of this gap is like this one, And if we use the full fill of this weekly gap, if we go back to the monthly time frame, and if we use the full fill of this gap, look, we almost touch 86 level by Fib. So what does it mean? It means at this level, they push the price higher, retest this level, so it's not necessary to come back to this level now. But we'll leave the gap here. So I think we come back to these levels, but not this year or next one. We come back maybe later. And look, test of 86 level by Fib. We're still in impulse. Here rejection at 0.5, but that time we can't know it's a 0.5 level by Fib. Then hold the line at most important level is 61. Got it. Then here reaction at 0.5 once again. It's like a magic, you know. Why it's magic? Because Bitcoin, it's simple algorithm. It's not a trader trade these assets. It's just a simple bots. Artificial intelligence traded Bitcoin. That's why every level is programmed before, and the news just deliver the price faster or slower to the right target. So if this model is correct, maybe it's wrong, absolutely wrong. So look, if the full fill of this weekly gap gonna be 44,266, at this area, everybody gonna wait. What? Everybody waiting that continuation to sweep this high. But exactly at this level, we can see the correction to 38, sweep and close this gap around 31, 32, and continue rally to 27 zone. But what we can see here, we can see something like this move, hold the line at 23 level by Fib, and continuation to 27 zone. 27 zone, now it's 49.52. This is going to be the most crucial level for Bitcoin. And if the timing is correct, it will be the ETF are going to be approved till that time in January, maybe in spring. And that time, we can see the massive correction. Massive correction, I mean, to 38 level by Fib. For example, 33K is going to be around 35K drop. And we can continue rally up. If not, it will be the top for this cycle, you know. That's why local mode is this target, this one, this one. Nobody knows are we going higher or not. I already explained to you how to react both sides. How to react everybody who open short and how to react everybody who open longs now. We just need to go higher than this high. And this level, everybody who bought it here, they will out at a break even. And the people who bought it here, they will out in profit. But we can see something like this one and continuation. And both of these camps gonna re-enter in a market at this level again. And they will stock in this area for the next 3 years. So this is what about the Fib. And also, I remind you, these two ideas also relevant is Bitcoin in 28 in August. And when we find a bottom here, I market the bottom 15,300. So here I miss it on a line chart, just a few penny, and then bounce to new trend line. Also here, Bitcoin reaction when the CEO leaves. So BitMEX, FTX collapse, and Binance. So we can go and follow and track these ideas. I can know the timing, so it's just hypothetical charts. It's hypothetical dates, you know. So let's take a look at reaction at this level. If we broke this level, retest, we can move even to 49.52. Because I remind you, the S&P 500 already sweep this high, and Nasdaq already sweep this high. Gold already sweep the all-time high, you know, so Bitcoin just lagging, you know. The main question, what will be with the altcoins? For altcoins, I already got a playlist, over than 184 videos in playlists about altcoins, so you can go and track. ADZ. For ADZ, here, on a weekly time frame, massive accumulation, so even the most dumb newbie on a market, if you use indicator set, you gotta understand this was the bottom, where the whales accumulate most of their position. Here once again, whales accumulate 25, so average entry 18, 25. Average entry can be around 23. So at 50, the whales got double X. So they can withdraw initial deposit and the live free coins. Here was once again the massive signals to buy Bitcoin. To start selling the Bitcoin, we have to wait something like this one. No, now we got this signal. No. If we go back to monthly time frame, the most bullish scenario, if we're gonna sweep this high and form the new all-time high, is gonna be the insanely yearly. Just imagine yearly divergency here, like this one. Touch, but new high on the chart on ADZ, and we have to touch this top, and it's gonna be the massive divergency, historical divergency on the chart. Something like this one, for example, 90K. No? And everybody's will still waiting the 100K. Now, on direction, no signal to sell or close position on a monthly. That's why I use my custom indicator set to determine the best entry and exit points. All right, close this one. If we take a look at market mood, money power. Based on a market mood here, on a monthly time frame, we are not in euphoria zone or a trill. Look, the euphoria zone, it took from September 2020 till April 2021. So half year, you know. So we are now in I don't know, maybe positive zone here. So no signal to crazy sale or so crazy euphoria on a weekly, on a monthly. So yes, whales start, fix some profit. Absolutely, it's okay to fix some profit, you know. So have to see the crazy euphoria trill on a market mode. On the weekly time frame here, yes, on the weekly we got this euphoria, but look how long from June 2020 till May 2021, almost 1 year. We trade in this area. So here, April 2023 till April 2024, we can trade in this area. Now we got, here was at 25K, we got a money inflow. The same like here. It was a depression zone. Here was a bottom for Bitcoin. Once again, I remind you, if you use my custom indicator set, you understand where the potential bottom for Bitcoin. It was a disbelief depression zone for Bitcoin. Now we're just in a hope. And the people start talking, oh, bull run confirm it when we hit, for example, 50K. When we sweep this high. This idiot is gonna just start talking about, oh, bull run confirm it now only to the moon, to 1 million, to 200K, to 250K, all these random numbers. But it's gonna be too late. You have to accumulate in depression zone, distribute step by step in trill euphoria zone. Based even on the one indicator market mode, on a weekly time frame or on a monthly, depends of your trading style and strategy. Now we got money in, money inflow 25, money outflow November 2023. No, the variance is nothing on a weekly time frame. Let's take a look on TradeOn. On TradeOn, I already showed you here on a monthly. 3 times in history we got this signal, recommendation close position, sell, sell. End of bull run. Recommendation close position, start of new bull run. Sell, end of bull run. Recommendation close position, start new bull run. COVID dump reset. Sell, sell on a monthly time frame. Recommendation close position after bottom here. So the bottom was here in June 18. Then FTX collapse, sweep the liquidity, and at 19,500 we got this signal. Now, no new signal to sell or so. New signal to sell, I guess we will see around or here or here. That's why just follow your plan and build your own plan, because the people who bought it here, they already over than 100% profit with Bitcoin, not even with altcoins. If we take a look at a weekly time frame, what do we got here? Only 1, 2, 3 times in history, you know. 3 times in history, we got a signal to buy on a weekly time frame on a Bitcoin. What more proofs do you need to buy in Bitcoin at this area at the bottom? I don't know. So here was the signal to buy December 18, around here. Take profit, then sell, 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 distribution. Take profit, it means you can withdraw and issue deposit, just to leave free coins. Sell, 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 recommendation close position, sell, sell, recommendation close position, cover dump, sell, sell, recommendation close position, take profit from sell, close all short, 100% short, buy, recommendation close your longs, take profit was at 35. Now, no signal to sell or so. So this is how it works on a trade on and take profit. I already explained what I don't like on a take profit on a monthly time frame. Here we bounce from there. Here, exit line above. Then we drop it a little bit lower, and sooner or later, we're gonna retest the buy line on a weekly time, on a monthly time frame. That's why it would be good to see something like this one, and then flash crash to sweep this low, but from 90K to 20 or I don't know, maybe 14, maybe 12K. So this is gonna be the great reset for Bitcoin. But all lines are dynamic. Now we hold the line. Now we hold the trend line. If we take a look on a weekly time frame, here, every single time when we trade under fundamental price, this is a good time to buy for a long run. For a long run, I mean 2-3 years. Now we trade long-term period here. Now we way over then exit line. We need to see the lines curve up like this one, for example, and retest. Where till that time gonna be the buy line, I can't know, because we can't know the timing. That's why I highly recommend you use custom indicator set to determine the best entry and exit points on a Bitcoin. If we take a look on the daily, here, all lines curve like this one. So we have to, let's make it clear. We have to test here the take profit line. We test it one time here. We test it and get reaction. Pure retest, 7% down. November. Now we can see that test again, 42, 70, 71, or close full fill of or 50% of this weekly gap. And like you can see, the exit line curve way higher to the main target here, 48,200. And buy line also curve up. And here we test a fundamental volume, but didn't test the buy line. More likely, I would like to see something like this one, for example, 50, 48, 52, it doesn't matter. And then come back down till the buy line, till the time can be around 32. So guys, I highly recommend you go to Telegram channel, type Bitcoin here, and find every single post what I made about a Bitcoin and all main targets for 2025. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about this current price action on Bitcoin. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.